What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you will find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money, and you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below, you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website, and then I'll see you on the video.
This is Abby from Forex Excel. Today we will talk about how to spot a fake change of character. So before we start, make sure to subscribe on this channel and hit the like button. So let's start. So many of us are really confused about the fake change of character and the real change of character. So how do we spot that one? So first of all, number one is you need to know your bias. So for you to be able to get your bias, you always check it to a higher time frame. Like for me, it's in 1 hour to 4 hour time frame. So in this example, I just like to let me check the 1 hour. So let me remove some of the okay. So as you can see here, price is really taking this price action to the upside, right? And sweeping this kind of liquidity above this area. So as you can see, as of now, the price is, filling up the gaps and like taking the time to have a bearish momentum and take some, because I see a lot of imbalance below here. So maybe price will go down there. So, but we could really check later if we wanna focus on the fake CHoCH or fake change of character first. So since it's in like bullish momentum, right? So we want to see on the lower time frame some of the moves of the prices. So as you can see here, there's the equal high that has been taken, like it wicked above it, and then this is for me a strong change of character, because as you notice here, like let me show you, the price is going up like this one, right? And then it really took this move or bearish momentum to the downside, or breaking some lows like this one, and this one, right? It breaks this two lows in the 5-minute time frame, and as you can see here, price really, or the sellers are really in control on this one. So for me, this is a strong change of character. sometimes we tend to confuse ourselves in change of characters. But for me, when you see this engulfing candles like this, and the price is in bullish structure, and then in some time, or in like in London session or in New York session, have this move, maybe, or it might be an indication to, to reverse, or to to have a downtrend structure. Because as you notice on previous price, the buyers are in control, right? So it has a lot of imbalance that has left, so it should or need to be filled out before the prices, to go up. So the question is, what is the fake change of character? So for me, some areas in this one, like for this one, it's on the downtrend, and then a price makes this, right? As you can see in this one, it didn't really have that bullish momentum that you could say, oh, it's changing its character again from bearish, this move, to bullish trend. But as you can see, it's not really that strong enough to like break. For me, you need to, if it's in a bullish, it needs to be to broke this high above on this one or on this one, right? So for me, this is just a pullback. It's just a pullback. It's sometimes have a misconception that it is a change of character, because you can see this when you try to go down on much lower time frame. You can see this bullish structure, right? So, oh, it's making a bullish trend. Maybe it is in a bullish, because overall it is a bullish structure, right? But for me, there's a lot of indications that we need to consider, like before entering the trade. For me, I need to check if it's in a premium or discount zone. Am I entering, if I buy this, am I entering on a discounted zone? Or if I sell this one, am I entering on a premium zone? Because you only sell on a premium zone, right? So I'd like to check, because this is, for me, this is a huge move to the downside. Like, it broke two lows in one move, in one swing of this. So I'd like to consider some of, like, entering on a premium zone like this one, or using a Fibonacci. I use Gunbox to check whether if it's in premium or discounted zone. So as you can see here, price did respect this 0.5 zone, which actually in the discounted zone. So this green area is a premium area, where we only sell if the price is within the premium area. So that's one thing. Getting some Fibonacci on this zone, because I'd like to check the Fibonacci area, because this one is a significant for me, because it broke this structure. So, and guys, don't be confused on checking or having an observation with a fake change of character, because you might fall on the liquidity area. So just like this one, right? It's on a downtrend, as we know, like this one. It's actually in ranging. And then price suddenly have this one, right? So, maybe the price is changing its character, but it's actually not, because you always wanted to have a confirmation. Like if you see this change of character, you should need another, like if that is a change of character, if it's a real change of character, you need to see another break of structure right here, like this one, right, before you enter the trade. Because sometimes actually sometimes this one didn't work because it is against your trend, but it's up to you how you have a rule on how to enter. But for me, since we are on a downtrend and you see this kind of a equal height on this one, so there's an expectation that the price will go up here, right? So for me, actually this is the spot for me to enter, or second entry, if this one, since this swing is and has broken this structure, you can use a premium or discounted zone, or a Fibonacci, right? So the price has respected this 0.7 area of Fibonacci, and it is the same time in a premium zone. So that's it, guys. If you have any comments or any questions, you can comment down below. We could try to answer it. See you in our next video. Bye.